Check this bad boy out, guys. Got a 750 on skids rolling out shot today. This one going on, man, just smoking barbecue. He's got a bad pit here, guys, so let's check her out. Now, we've got our 750 on the skid package, guys. The skid, that's the base package for all of our tank smokers. All come similarly set up like this. We got a badass 3D fabricated arm up front, brace underneath, big skid. People go, oh, how do you move them around? It ain't for moving around, guys. This sitting in a smokehouse, that's all it's doing. If you want to move it around, I got a trailer for you, all right? Now, the fold down stack, that is standard on every tank smoker we build, gets a fold down stack. This is our patina finish. Now, what that means, he selected this tank. We got a ton of tanks to choose from, guys. You pick out which one you want. We'll do all of our metal work to it, clean it up, clear coat it, look sharp. All right, yes, it will continue to patina over time, so I would call it patina finish. This makes sense. The counterweights are standard as well on the 750, guys. You're gonna have to have counterweights. This is a big smoker, big door, all right? I could probably get it without the counterweights, but I don't think you could, so I put them on there for you. 3 top racks, all right, that's standard as well. 5 racks on the bottom. The bottom racks are removable. They come up out of there so you can clean your pit out. Even though I know you probably ain't gonna clean your pit out. They do come out. 1.5 inch ball valve grease drain down there as well. Now he did add a couple stainless steel shelves. Pretty slick little setup there. Fold them up, fold them down when you don't need them. They won't get in your way. So that's nice. TMG pits tell truth thermometers, 1 in each door, of course. And then we'll step around to this firebox right here. Hey, we're proud of this firebox right here. Fully insulated. The door's insulated. Front of it's insulated as well. We've got a 3/8 thick pipe in there. It's not gonna rust out on you. Holds heat great, makes the pit run like a dream. Very easy to run one of these big tank smokers. So guys, that is just smoking barbecue 750 heading out of the shop. So y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know who to call. TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.